Welcome to Chit Chats Tutorials. In this video, we will cover how to save a payment method and add credits to your account. Our online credit system is an easy way to pay for the goods and services that we offer through our platform, such as shipments, supplies, pickup, and return fees. You can either click on Add Credits in the upper left corner of your dashboard, or click Settings. And from here, click Credits and Billing. Our platform accepts payments by credit card. Click Add Payment Method. Enter your credit card information, which is securely stored by our payment provider, and click Save. Then click Add Credits. Enter the amount of credits you want to add, and click Buy Credits. The minimum credit required to add is $10. You can set up auto reload, which allows you to automatically add credits when your credit balance falls below an amount you specify. You can also find statements and records of all your transactions in the billing section. In your dashboard, a summary of available credits and unpaid fees is always visible to you. To learn more, visit support.chitchats.com or contact our client support team directly at support@chitchats.com.